Hello guys, the joy of winning South Africa has been rising on daily basis and is a thing of joy. I do not blame anybody for that kind of joy because Nigeria has not seen joy for over 10 years. Nigeria has not seen happiness for over 10 years. All we have been hearing is kidnapping here, killing here, war there, finishing one village the next minute. We need this joy. We really need this joy. And that's why we are rejoicing. Yes. However, we have to compare ourselves with couple who have not seen a baby for good 10 years. And when the woman is pregnant, there is joy everywhere. But you do not expect the couple to go in there, start lavishing all they have, start spreading money on the road, telling people that my wife is pregnant though. No. They will have to wait till the woman gives birth to that child. Nigeria has to wait till she gave birth to this bouncing baby. We have long been missing this joy, and we need it now. In the midst of hardship, we really need that joy. In the midst of trouble, we really need that joy. So, let us not go in there and destroy what we have or lavish what we have. Let us keep it and wait for the D-Day. The D-Day is coming, which is on Sunday. It has been slated. It has been slated. So, blowing our trumpet now will not help us. Let us not overblow our trumpet so that Sunday will now blow the trumpet so that it will reach heaven. That's what I'm advising. On Sunday will be very hot. On Sunday will be very, very hot. So, all I'm advising is, let all go in there, get your drug if you have BP, get your drug if you have low BP. If you have sugar, go and get your drug and keep it close by. Or drink it immediately they start that match. Because it's not going to be very easy. To give birth to a bouncing baby is not going to be a child's play. Cry will come out of it. Tears will come out of it. Shouting will come out of it. Last, joy will come out of it. My people, let us not rejoice before our real joy comes. That's my advice. Izimma for J, still speaking.